Hi, Sinclair. Hi, Sinclair. Hi, Sinclair. Is that Shakira? Is that your girlfriend, Sinclair? Let's go see who that is back there. I've been wondering who that is. I don't know if you can hear it, but someone's talking back there. And I apologize if it's dark. It's gonna be a dark hallway. Let's hope Slenderman doesn't come out and murder us all. Let's step over the baby gate. Hi, Shakira. She's a ninja cat. She always jumps over the baby gate. We had a taller baby gate that we can't step over, and she jumped over that. Hey, Sinclair, your girlfriend was in the hallway. You missed her. Sinclair? He did it. He did the what's up thing. But it wasn't as he usually does it. Yeah. Yeah. Say goodbye, Sinclair. Bye. Alright, guys. Thanks and subscribe.